Welcome back. I've been talking a lot and I know you want to get started. So I want to just leave you with a few pieces of advice. How do you get the most out of the course? The way we've structured the course is that you're going to be able to code along with us, build projects with us, so that you can learn and practice along the way. Now, because everybody comes to this course with different sets of skills, different set of experiences, we've made it friendly to all kinds of individuals, whether you're new to Node or you're an experienced Node developer. So, what I recommend is that before we dive into the installation videos where we start downloading Node and then start writing Node code, I want you to jump over to the appendix section where we talk about how JavaScript works. If you're not familiar with how JavaScript works, we do a deep dive in the appendix at the bottom of the course so that you have a good idea of what things like interpreters are, how JavaScript uses call stacks, queues, how JavaScript is single-threaded, what an event loop is. Now, we do cover those things throughout the course as well, but it's always good to have a good, solid foundation of how JavaScript works before we dive into Node. So if that is you, jump to those videos after this. Otherwise, you can keep going with the course. Now, the other thing is, downloading Node is notoriously difficult. Well, not difficult, but you may encounter some issues. Now, we're always here to help you, so you can always jump on our Discord if you have issues downloading Node. But in order to succeed in the course, well, you need to have Node installed on your computer, which we're going to go through. Now, if you're watching this course and you already have Node installed, then you can skip those videos as they're optional. You don't need to know how to install Node. There's also a third option. The third option is something called REPL. And if you go to this website, you will have to create an account, but don't worry, it's free. And you can create new REPLs, which are kind of like online code editors, so that you don't need to worry about any sort of installation. And here, you can select the language you want to code in. In our case, we can just select Node.js so that it creates the Node.js runtime and click on Create REPL, and you'll have a Node.js environment for you to code in. So if you prefer to watch the course like this without installing anything, that's an option for you as well. And you can create files in here, you can add folders, and you just type your JavaScript code right in here. And then you click run, and it's going to run the code for you. All right, there you have it. I highly recommend that you follow the videos in order. And anytime we need to suggest something, any appendix section or bonus material, we'll make sure to tell you when we suggest that you visit those lectures. For now, you can keep going with the course in order. Oh, and one last thing. Some of you may be wondering about something. Remember this diagram? Remember our friend Ryan Dahl, who in 2009 released Node? Look how cute he was. Well, this timeline isn't complete. As a matter of fact, in 2019, something new happened. That's Ryan Dahl. With a new haircut, a new t-shirt, and no glasses, he presented something in 2019 called Dino. But you know what? That's for the end of the course. We don't need to worry about it, but don't worry. We'll cover a little bit of Dino as well at the end. But for now, go away, Dino. We're focusing on Node. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.